Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing good. So friends, in today's video, we'll try to find out where this market is heading and is the crypto market overvalued at current juncture, and what would be the future of the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. So before I move forward guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for the regular updates on cryptocurrency news, cryptocurrency investments and ICO investing. And again, a disclaimer guys, I am not a financial advisor. I don't claim to be a market guru, or I do not predict the market top or bottom. So it's just the my opinions, my thoughts, which I share with you people. So for any financial decision, please consult financial advisor or do your own research, because this market is ultra high risky. So let's move forward. I made one video yesterday guys, and that point of time market was like 322 billion dollars. From there again it is down 23 billion. So there was sharp cut, sharp down movement since yesterday, since I made the video. And in that video guys, I mentioned that this market is not going to have decisive move. I mean the bull run like 2017 December, this is not going to happen soon, because there are many hurdles in the way, from regulations or from custodian point of view, or there are many countries who are still thinking, how to regulate and how to eliminate the bad actors, the manipulators from this market, because there are manipulation in this market, and you really don't know what is happening behind the scene or behind the door, because this is unregulated space guys, and this is what these bad people are getting benefit out of it. So yes, so this market is manipulated, I totally agree. So currently market, I mean Bitcoin is sitting around $6,800, and I also mentioned in yesterday video guys that Bitcoin might revisit the lower level like it had in February this year. I think it was 6,000, and it might dip below 6,000 or maybe 5,000 before it makes new high, or before it moves to 10,000 or 13,000. So again, this is my own analysis. This should not be taken as a financial advice. It may or may not go to 5,000 or 6,000. So I would like to present some cases, which the incident, which has happened in real life, which has happened with me. So I would like to compare this current situation with Indian stock market. I've been in stock market for last, I think 4 to 5 years. So there is similar incident, I would like to discuss with you. So I will take you to the Nifty 50 indice. This is Nifty 50 chart, and currently Nifty is sitting around 10,800 point, and this is the 5-year chart of Nifty 50. So if I take you to 2014, where this government, the BJP Modi government, came into power around May or June of April or May of 2014. And that point of time, this stock market, this Nifty was around 6,600. It was hovering around 6,000 to 6,600. And when this government had clear majority, full majority, this market had a lot of expectations from the government, because Modi always talks about development. He's pro-development guy. Again, it has to, I mean, you people have to decide whether he has done something good for us or not. But yeah, that's another question to debate. So yeah, this was around 6,600 bucks, and then there was parabolic run from 6,000 in April or May 2014, from 6600 it moved to like 8800, so it's nearly touched 9000 mark. And in stock market, like 30 to 50% move on indices. So this represents Indian stock market. So Nifty 50 includes top 50 stocks, top 50 companies of Indian stock, the blue chip name like Reliance, Infosys, TCS, and some of the major banks. So yeah, this represents the entire Indian stock market. So if the BSE or NSE moves like 20% or 30% or 50%, this means the major bull run. If you compare with crypto market, if Nifty moves 30%, then crypto should move 300%. So yeah, you can get the idea now. So if Nifty is moving 30 to 50%, some of the mid cap or small cap stocks could move like 300, 500 or even 1000%, the small cap names. So yeah, it was major bull run and people made hell lot of money. I know many people, made their fortune in stock market. There were many small caps names which move like 10 times or 15 times or 20 times even. So this happened in 2014, and this time 2015 market reached 8900 and then started dipping. So entire 2015 this market was in downturn. Like we had a bull run in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency in 2017, and now we are facing the same scenario, like we had in stock market in 2015. So entire year it didn't do anything. Look at here, it is, from 9000 it dipped to 7000 and then 7500 and then it dipped below 7000. So yeah, there were many analysts, I was following that time because I had my money at stake at that point of time and major money at stake. So I used to see the chartist and where this market is heading. People were talking about 2008 like crash because from 9000 to 7000 it was, from stock market perspective it was big cut. So all the analysts were predicting that if market dipped below 7000, if it goes below 7000 mark, it might go to 3500 or 4000. So that means 2008 like crash. So people were panicking, people were freaking out, and including myself as well, because at that point of time I started believing that this market has nothing now and it has lost its charm and it's over. Because entire 2015 I was holding and I was waiting that okay, this will move, that will move, because like in 2014 I bought many stocks around high price in 2014 bull run, and entire 2015 it didn't do anything. And finally in 2016 April, I think it was a budget day if I recall it correctly, this market went below 7000. People squared off their positions. I mean, I sold like 65 to 70% of my holdings in 25 to 40% loss. And from that day, it somehow, it made low around 6900. And then if you look at here, it moved parabolic. If you look at here on 1st April, it was 6900. And in March, within 2 months, it moved to 8000 level. And then here, if you look at here, 8700 in August 2016. So within 4 to 5 months, it had major run. Many stocks, which I sold around. There was a stock called MB Industry. It is into packaging. Let me quickly pull that up for you. So this stock, I bought around I think 35 to 40 rupees, and it went to like 110 rupees kind of level. But I didn't sell that point of time because I was having 200 price target in my mind. I think it made 200 later on. But yeah, so this stock dipped around 50 or 45 level, and I sold at break even, no profit, no loss. Although I saw 100% gain, more than 100% gain, but I didn't recognize that, I didn't realize that gain, and I had to sell, forcefully. and then it moved like I think 160 to 200. It has if you look at the current price, it is sitting around 162 rupees, and my buying was 35 to 40 rupees. Still it's four times. You will not get this kind of gain in if you are investing in mutual funds or in FD. You are not getting these kind of gains. I'm talking about mid cap, small cap stocks. I'm not talking about crypto market here. In crypto, it is, I don't have word to explain. It is like, you will not get anything like crypto in entire asset class, real estate, gold, or stocks. But at the same time, this market is also very volatile and ultra high risky. So you have to understand that. So why I'm putting this case, here, why I'm discussing this with you, because when everyone gives up, if people majority of people gets frustrated and they lose their hope, that's the time market start rebounding and market starts bouncing back. So that's the time I witnessed in stock market around 7,000 or 6,900 level of Nifty. So yes, so this is what happening in crypto market as well. So in crypto market, if I take you back to February low, so Bitcoin made low around I think 6,000, or I think it dipped below to 6,000 as well. It was like 59 or 5,800. So this is the ultimate low of 2018. So this might happen again. There could be a bear trap. So this market will show that, okay, now I am dipping below 6,000 and I am going to 4,000 or 3,500. I'm talking about Bitcoin here. And this will not happen. So it will be false breakdown. It could happen. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. So do not take this as financial advice, because I'm just, expressing my views that it could happen, because there will be a lot of people, when this Bitcoin will go below maybe the February low, let's say it's 5,900. So if it makes new low, if it goes below 5,900, all the chartists, all the analysts will start talking about that, okay, this market has made new low, now this is going to 4,000. And it might not happen. It will make you fool, and it will go to maybe 5,500 or max to max 5,000, and then it will bounce back to 10,000. So again, guys, upside looks capped. I'm very honest with you guys. I'm not creating any FUD, but at this point of time, 10,000 is the major hurdle for the Bitcoin. And if I talk about the entire crypto market cap, I think 500 billion is the major hurdle. It may not breach that 500 billion mark unless we have something productive, unless we have some regulations and some positive news from SEC or some other regulators, or positive news from the anti-cryptocurrency countries like India or any other country. We will not see that level, but yeah, we can still play the range. We have to be very selective, very careful, because this is the bear market. We cannot deny from the fact. And in bear market, shitcoin, shady projects, money grab ICO, they will not perform and they will cease to exit. Once the dust settles, these coins, these shitty projects, these penny stocks, penny coins, which don't have any volume or any productivity or any use case or product, they will cease to exit and they will be gone forever. So you have to be very selective. So I have seen recently, many analysts or many people on Twitter saying that, okay, this market is overvalued and there is no, much room for the further appreciation. So, if you go back in 2017, it was parabolic run and people made hell lot of money last year. And I think market is now taking time to digest those gains, because this doesn't happen, market does not move in straight line. There is up and down. So like in Indian stock market, 2014 was the great year, and then 2015 was dull, and then again 2016 it picked. So it might be, 2018 it will be a dull phase, or it will be a range bound market, and maybe uh, later on, the later part of 2018, let's say November, December, or early part of 2019, we can see some major bull run. But for now, I think upside looks capped. Maybe 500 billion at the max. Bitcoin might go 10,000, 11,000, or maybe 13,000. Again, it depends. But I am not seeing $1 trillion in next maybe 6 months. So we have to wait. We have to give this market some time to digest the gains which it had, because at this point of time I don't see this market is highly manipulated like it was last year, because the last year it was artificial pump. People pumped the shit projects or the white paper projects to the moon, and now they crashed 80-90% because we do not have real world use case yet in this market. So valuation wise, I think this is fairly valued around 200, 250 or 300 billion dollar mark, or maybe it will be range bound, and we do not have exact mechanism or benchmarks to judge the valuation of crypto market, because there is no earning or there is no PE ratio like we have in stock market, price to earning, where we divide the current market price of stock by its earning per share, that EPS. So that's method is not there for the crypto market, because there is no earning at all. So yeah, we have to wait and see and be careful. Try to buy strong names, maybe Bitcoin in any correction, and try to play with ICOs if you're getting good projects at good valuation. Again, this market, if you're raising like 40 million, 50 million or 100 million, you'll not do well, no matter how good is the project. So yeah, you have to be very selective with the ICOs. I think this is it for now, guys. This was kind of general discussion and my thoughts in current market situation. I think it will help you. No need to panic, and I'm not creating FUD, but this market is not doing good. And I think if you ask for my personal opinion, I really don't think that this Bitcoin will go to 4,000. That's my take. It might go to 5,500 or 5,000, but I don't see Bitcoin dipping below that range. So this is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and share. Thank you. Good day. Bye.